Hello students, welcome back to our channel Sai Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss a very important thing, that is due to COVID-19, Maharashtra State Board reduced some syllabus. So we are going to see 8th standard history and civics reduced syllabus. That is, they have not removed any chapter completely, they have removed only some topics. So I am going to show you page by page the removed topics which I'll highlighted in yellow color. So go through the video completely. So we have come to the first page. In this, the chapter sources of history, only do you know part has removed. So you don't have to need to study or write. And next, on page number 2, do it, that is also removed, and let us know, this part also removed. And then coming to page number 3, in this also do it part is removed, no need to study. And then in page number 5, that is Leonardo da Vinci, that is also removed. And geographical discoveries, that is also removed. And coming to page number 6, that is let us know part, in this graphical discoveries and do it, both are removed. And then in page number 7, there is nothing removed. Later we will go to continuation, there is nothing changed in this. Up to page number 41, there are no changes. Yeah, so here it is. In page number 41, there is a topic, do you know inspirational account of brave children, that you don't need to read. And let us know individual satyagraha, this is also removed. And then coming to page number yeah, so coming to page number 50, that is do you know part, this is also removed. And then in page number 51, do you know part again, this is also removed. And in 53, that is do you know Dr. Anandibai Joshi, this is also removed, this part. And after this, as I have mentioned, they have removed only some topics only, not the total chapter. So you have to go through the this video once or twice, so that you will not miss any of the reduced syllabus. Okay. So after that, all the remaining parts are same up to the next page, which I am going to show you. That is then up to page number 79, then there are no changes. And later in page number 18, there is a Remove, can you tell this one is removed? And in page number 81, do it and see the example. These two are removed. So that's it, students. This is it. So in this video I have shown you the Maharashtra State Board reduced syllabus details, which they have removed the topics only. So for that, please go through this video twice so that you didn't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.